In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row into a Confluence table. If you're working in Confluence regularly, you probably know how important it is to keep your tables organized and up to date. Adding a new row can be a frequent task, yet if you're new to using Confluence or haven't explored its full range of options, you might not be completely familiar with the process. In this guide, we'll walk through each step you need to follow to easily add a row to your existing table in Confluence. Let's start from your Confluence homepage. This is your starting ground, the dashboard where all your projects and workspaces are visible. From here, what you want to do is to locate the workspace where the table you want to edit is housed. A workspace in Confluence is essentially where your pages and content for a particular project or team are organized. Take a moment to navigate through and select the workspace that contains the page you're interested in modifying. Once you've selected your workspace, it's time to pinpoint the exact page where the table is located. Browse the list of pages and find the one you need. If you have a lot of content, using the search feature in Confluence can be incredibly handy and save you time. Click on the page title and you'll be brought to its main content view. Now that you're on the page where your table lives, the next step is to enter the editing mode. You can do this by simply clicking on the Edit button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This mode will allow you to make changes to the content directly on the page. In the editing mode, scroll to the section where your table is located. Click anywhere on the table to select it. This action will bring up the table toolbar, which offers various options for managing and editing your table. With the table selected, the focus shifts to adding that new row. Look for a small icon resembling a plus sign. This icon is the key to inserting rows. By clicking on it, you'll automatically add a new row to your table. It's a simple yet powerful feature that makes modifications seamless. And there you have it. You've successfully added a row to your Confluence table. Periodically review your tables to ensure data accuracy and completeness. It's a good habit to regularly update your tables to reflect any new information or changes, thereby keeping your project data current and organized.